Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get a shout-out happy birthday story on Instagram. Celebrating your friend's birthday with a shout-out is a fun way to make them feel special. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps. First, open the Instagram app. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a circular profile icon that says, Your Story with a plus sign. Tap on it to start creating your story. Now, you'll be in the story section. Tap on the camera icon to create a new story. Then, look for the Create button on the left side of your screen. Tap on that to choose a colorful background for your birthday shout-out. At the bottom right corner, you'll see an option to change colors. Tap on it and browse through the different colors until you find one that suits your friend's style or their favorite color. Next, it's time to mention your friend. Tap on the text box and type in their Instagram username or their name. As you type, Instagram will suggest profiles. Select your friend's name when it appears. Now that you've added their name, you can make your story more exciting by adding stickers. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen and choose from the fun options available. You can also add music by tapping on the music icon. You can choose their favorite song or something that fits the birthday vibe. Once you're happy with how your shout-out looks and sounds, it's time to share it. Just tap the send button at the bottom right to post the birthday shout-out to your story. All your followers, especially your friend, will be able to see it. And that's how to create a birthday shout-out story on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.